How to log into Fortnite. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into Fortnite, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Fortnite, whether you're trying to log in on the Fortnite game or on your Fortnite browser, if you're on Fortnite.com or maybe you're on Fortnite game, it's very simple to log in. You have to log into your Epic Games account because your Fortnite account is your Epic Games account. So just click on your account icon from the top right hand side of the screen and you're going to be able to see this tab of information where it says sign in or sign up. So just enter your respective email address and click on continue option. It's going to send a verification code. Then after you enter your password, you should be able to log in. Or if your account is linked with any of these options here, such as Xbox, PS4, Nintendo, Facebook, Google, you can go ahead and then choose to log in with those respectively. This way you can go ahead and then log into Fortnite. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.